For today's video, I'm going to troubleshoot an abnormal sound is coming from this machine. So I will show you. You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So the sound is producing from the fixing unit. So I'm going to remove the fixing unit first, and I think the gear was damaged. That's the problem. So I will show you what is the problem really. So first I'm going to remove the fixing unit. So turn off the machine. After turning it on, open this side drawer and open it. So this is a fixing unit. So this is a fixing unit. So this is a fixing unit here. So you can find first screw is in this area, and the second screw here. Here is the second screw. Here is the second screw. So after removing these two screws, you can easily remove this fixing unit. I'll show you. So this is the first screw here. So remove it. And second screw here. So this is a screw. So I removed this first screw here. So I removed this screw, and so the second screw is here. Okay, I removed it, and just taking it out. This is a fixing unit. Okay. This is a fixing unit. So this is the gear. So this gear is damaged. So I'm replacing it with a new gear. For removing the gear, you need to remove the screw. Here is a screw I found. For removing the screw, you need to fit. Yes. Move it back. So here is the lock. This lock. And this is the second lock here. So here also another lock. Remove the screw. Take it out. Just remove the seat clip here, from here. This is a new gear. apply to this gear. So simple. This is the way to remove this. You can see this. The gear is damaged. So next, you need to put it back. So I'm placing this. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Just go here. This is the way to replace this gear.